In a segment of subtly styled mom mobiles, the Durango offers a He-Man vibe that is wholly unmatched by the competition. It's big, commanding, and as one of the longest and tallest in this class, its dimensions will challenge the limits of most garages. What's new for 2018? Some trims of the Durango get even more aggressive styling for 2018 by borrowing certain elements from the high-performance SRT model. All RT models and GT trims with either the Blacktop or Brass Monkey appearance packages get a ventilated hood. The Durango RT also gets the SRT's wide body kit, front bumper, and grille plus two special paint colors, B5 blue and in violet metallic. The GT model now offers a power liftgate as standard. 2017 Dodge Durango. Its blocky, square-jawed front end styling gives the Durango an imposing appearance. A long hood and switchback windshield add to its muscle car-inspired look, as do the subtle bulges in the body around the wheel wells and the ridged character line running midway through the doors. Wide windows and square-shaped side view mirrors reduce blind spots. What Dodge calls racetrack taillights emphasize the Durango's rear end, with bright LEDs that stretch from one side to the other. Backup lights and red reflectors are inset between the light strips. The Durango's large, heavy liftgate may be difficult for shorter people to reach to close it, but a power liftgate is optional on GT models and standard on top-level RTs. Dodge provides a number of styling packages to customize the Durango's appearance. The Blacktop package, available on GT and RT trims, adds gloss black 20-inch aluminum wheels and a number of gloss black trim pieces, including the grille. The Brass Monkey package features burnished bronze-colored wheels and accents. The new anodized platinum package is available exclusively on the Citadel trim and augments the exterior and interior with platinum chrome and anodized gunmetal trim. Exterior features. The Durango's fuel door is located on the passenger's side and locks automatically along with the doors and liftgate. A sunroof is optional, but it only provides an opening over the front seat passengers. This is out of step in a class where most rivals offer panoramic roofs that span their ceilings. A simple rectangular key fob offers remote access to the Durango's doors and cargo area, as well as an integrated remote starter perfect for warming up or cooling down the interior in advance of your trip. The buttons on the fob are easy to read thanks to simple white icons on large black buttons. Passive entry to the front doors and tailgate also make it easy to get in and out when your hands are full.